Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Myths Moving Always on the Move. Today I am taking you on a journey through the breathtaking landscapes of Nako and Spiti Valley. Let's dive into the adventure of the day. So friends, नहीं 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 आप खुद की करने का So friends, we are at Nako and this is what you can see at Nako. Although it is extremely peaceful, and if you are a nature lover and you actually love mountains, then this is a place for you. It's actually worth visiting. One day is absolutely fine for this location. Nako. If you see, there are very few locals in here. If you see around behind me, there are very few houses here. That's why you cannot expect too much luxury because of it is at a very high altitude. We are almost 12,000 feet above earth level. So what we are so if you come here, you have to adjust, and it is extremely cold that you have to adjust pretty less because you end up doing very less movement in here. You sit beside the bonfire and you eat warm food, you sleep, you take some extremely amazing clicks, and you observe the nature out here. That is what is Nako for. And if you have a group of people with you, then it is very interesting. Or if you have some like-minded people with you, then you end up catching up, understanding them, and talking about the lives and absorbing and enjoying the nature overall. So yes, in Spiti Valley, this is my third day, and we are here at Nako village, and it is extremely peaceful. It is extremely cold also. It was -1 degree, but actual feeling was of -3, -4 degree because when the wind moves, it is extremely cold. So do come prepared whenever you are coming at this part of India. Spiti Valley is amazing. Spiti Valley or trip is extremely good and peaceful, but you have to be prepared. I'm telling you, you cannot be unprepared while coming for this trip. So अभी सुबह के 6:20 हुए हैं, एंड मतलब पता नहीं, आई एम प्रिटी एडवेंचरस, तो मैं तो उठ जाती हूँ 5:15 बजे, 5:30 बजे whenever I since last 3 days I am waking up, and you cannot miss this view because if you get up early then you get all this peace. अगर आप देखो कि आजू बाजू में सब कुछ बंद है, सो अगर आप लिटरली ये माहौल को एंजॉय करना चाहते हो तो यू शुड गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टूवर्ड्स नाको लेक, विच इज़ वन ऑफ द फेमस प्लेसेस इट नाको विलेज. अगर आप देखोगे ये बेसिकली आजू बाजू में दिस इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ हैबिटेट. कितनी शांति है, जैसे पिक्चरों में नहीं देखते वैसे उस टाइप की शांति. It was chilly, but not as cold as the night before. You could see the helipads at almost every village as this area is close to the Indo China border. The unpredictable weather conditions here mean that emergency services might be needed anytime, hence, the helipads in every village. Now, one pro tip for you guys, always carry a water bottle when going for a trek. I forgot mine and found myself breathless several times. Currently, the place we are here at, it's completely unreal. Despite that, my curiosity and enthusiasm kept me going. The serene beauty of Nako Lake made it all worth it. Next, I headed to a Nako Hill Point, where there's a shrine and a spot offering a panoramic view of the entire Nako Valley. The experience was truly amazing, and the views were out of this world.
ये लाल घर है, इसके ऊपर देखो 90 डिग्री।
हाँ,
नहीं दिख रहा है,
इतना ही जूम देगा। कहाँ पे है मैं? हाँ 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 हाँ, अभी दिख गया।
फोटो में हो जाएगा, बस कर लो बंद।
I did an amazing trek today, and I'm extremely happy about it. After returning to the homestay, I had a hearty breakfast, freshened up, and checked out.
खींचो ना फोटो।
हाँ भैया,
ये तो विश, ये तुम भी रख सकते हो अपने।
इसका मतलब क्या है?
क्या बड़ा
इट्स विश टावर।
अच्छा, विश टावर आ रहा, विश टावर बना दो।
वो नीचे से फटाफट जमा कर।
जल्दी कर। विश टावर।
इट्स अ विश टावर।
आ जाओ बेटे बेटे जल्दी आओ।
Guys, this while moving towards Gu village, we come across this small holy place of this valley, and it looks truly mesmerizing. It's too breathtaking. Wow, it's too nice. So finally, we are entering into Spiti Valley. So we are entering inside Spiti Valley finally.
ये हो जिलेबी समोसे चाय वाला।
अभी नहीं
वापस सीधे
खा के हम लोग आए। लंच अच्छा कर रहे हैं। तो यहाँ से ऑफिशियल अपना स्पीति वैली चालू हो गया। चलो डालिए। फाइनली 3 दिन के बाद हम लोग जिस नाम से आए उस नाम में घुस रहे। As we entered Spiti Valley, the landscape transformed, and we touched snow for the first time during this trip. We took some amazing photos to capture these moments. See, once you enter into Gyu village, right? Gyu village. On iPhone, you will get a Chinese. You enter into Chinese time zone on iPhone. So the time here is 12:55, and our local Indian time is currently 10:26. हम लोग चाइना बॉर्डर पे We entered into Gyu village, and this is the first monastery we're in. Look at the view is so beautiful. So this is a Gyu monastery. Isn't it too good? So beautiful. as we have entered here early in the, I mean we started early, so the advantage we got is यहाँ पे कोई crowd नहीं है अभी फिलहाल. The monasteries are always colorful, but look at this one. It is not only colorful, it is very clean also. Everything is so beautifully done. Look at the ceiling. These are the ceilings. It is one of the very beautiful location in Gyuv village. It's worth a visit. The monastery, Gyuv monastery, is extremely beautiful with an intricate work done on it. And top of it, we visited a 500-year-old mummy of Sangha Tenzin, a Buddhist monk who is believed to have started his mummification process while still alive. Reading through the history of Gyuv mummy was an exhilarating experience. Yeah. And it is found in the same way, and it remained same way without any scientific preservation. So finally got my first snowball in my hand. Wow, look at this. It's nice and snowy. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Myths Moving, always on the move. Your valuable comments mean a lot to me, so do share your thoughts. See you in the next video.